First time we are seeing evidence of oysters with fossilized wood. So this is all fossilized wood here, what we are seeing, and these are shells of oysters, you see. So for oysters and fossilized wood, for the first time, all this is fossilized wood, carbonized, and here it is the same frame we are getting oysters rich. So this is quite interesting here. We are getting oysters from shallow marine sequence and this fossilized wood trunk, massive trunk we are getting in the same horizon, indicating that this is fossilized wood again. So very well preserved, you know. The organic matter you can see very well preserved here. And in the same horizon we are getting oysters band. So what does it indicate? The oysters indicate the marine environment, whereas the fossilized wood indicate fluvial environment. The fluvial environment, the wood is being transported into the marine sequence, indicator of a condition where the river channel flooded with a huge influx of sediments and bringing huge influx of sediments. Along with the sediments, they are bringing fossilized wood. We can see a lot of samples here broken, more and more samples. So more or less deltic conditions, delta being flooded with water from the channels and carrying all the sediments into the ocean. That is the beauty of all this findings which we are getting here. Let's see. Now this is full of oyster band, fossilized wood here. Oysters. Now again fossilized wood and oysters here in the same horizon. So it is not one isolated incident where we are getting oysters and wood in the same frame. We are getting a lot of fragments, all thanks to this landslide which occurred a few days back, and I have been able to get first-hand information of all these. Now you see, again, this is fossilized wood filled, and this is oysters here, bivalves, oysters, rich horizon. So very interesting things happening here, very interesting things happening here. So I am looking for a, this is it. Now you see, this is Sabatu shells and this is oyster rich bands. Now this is it, you know. This is in totality, and we are getting oyster rich bands here, full of oysters, and this is the complete picture of it.